So this is my go-to. A lot of times I have this just for lunch. Mmm. Delicious. On this video, we're going to learn how to make greens. I've actually have bought 2 bunches of mustard greens and 2 bunches of collard greens. The first thing you want to do is wash your greens off very thoroughly before doing anything. Now, the other thing is if you purchase them in a bag, you still want to make sure they're cleaned by the stem and washed off. I'm taking 3 slices of thick bacon for the grease. If you don't want to use bacon, you can use salt pork, or you can also use olive oil or regular vegetable oil. This is how you take them off the stem. You make sure that the big stems are completely removed off of your greens. This helps you so that you don't have that. The taste is not as good. You roll them up, cut them up very nicely, and you want to make sure, even if you purchase them in the bag, that all the stems are out of them. You want to make sure, again, that the stem, the middle stem, is completely out of there. That's the finished product. I take an onion and I cut that up pretty good. You want to cut it finely for even those people that don't like onions. They tend to like it, but the onion is very optional. Also, I use fresh jalapenos. I use about 3 fresh jalapenos, and I take the seeds out of it and chop that up very finely. Now, if you haven't already, go ahead and like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and also consider subscribing to the channel. I would appreciate that. Thank you in advance. Now, I cut everything up finally, and I'm added into the pot. You put your seasonings in there. I use a little soul food seasoning, a little salt, a little pepper. Use the Creole seasoning, and you just season it to your taste. I also use a little garlic powder as well, and this just really helps it. And also, if you want to go ahead and put about 6 to 8 cups of water in there. You fill the pot all the way up to where it's covering the greens. Now, the finished product is great. This is a great hearty meal. I use this sometimes just for lunch, and it's filling. If you're trying to diet, this is an excellent way, or change your eating habits to a more healthier eating habits. This is definitely a good way of doing it. Now, as you can see, the product came out wonderful. Please go ahead and join us until the next video. See you.